Hi, thanks for visiting. I looked everywhere to find somebody assembling a shampooer for Kirby. I couldn't find. That's why I'm gonna do that video today. I bought this Kirby. It's the Ultimate G Series. I bought it around 15 years ago. It works perfect, still great. I know there's a lot of models, but that's the one I have today. And I bought the shampoo system, the carpet shampoo system with it. This box, and in this box there was the manual, which it has how to do it and everything. If you don't have the manual, it's great video you'll like. It's on page 30 and 31. This is how to assemble it. In this box, we got these tools right here, or pieces. This is a hose, and this is the tank for the water, and this is a tray, and this is the vacuum that we're gonna assemble it right now. So the first thing I did, I filled the tank with water till level that they're asking for, and this is how you open it. From here, like that. You fill it up with warm water, and then the soap, you put it all the way to the rim here, and then you pour it, and then you close it. That's number one. This, it's an off. We're gonna turn it on before we use it. So we put this aside. Now we're gonna assemble this and the tray. The tray, it comes and it has the brush and the rubber, what do you call that? The rubber belt. Okay. And then you close it like that and make sure the belt is out. Now we're gonna take this, which has had a latch here or something, a hook. We're gonna put this way, this way. And this has a place here and here for this here. So we're gonna try to put it in place. This way. Now we got it that way. Now we need to make sure that the belt, the belt right here, I'll show you in a second. Let me get it first. Okay. We need to make the belt hooked with that hook that we saw earlier. So what we need to do is just to open this like that, and then turn it around. Make sure the belt is up there. Okay, and then we're gonna turn this way until we get the red arrow with the red arrow, and it's gonna be tight because it already caught the belt. And right there, you see that? So the hook got the belt. So both of them are now is like one piece. Okay? So, and the red arrow was the red arrow. Okay? Now we come to the vacuum itself. We need to remove this. So we're gonna open it like that. Remove this. Let me do that again. Tighten here. I have to unhook the belt first, like that, and then remove this. So I got it right there. That's the vacuum. That is not the shampooer. We put this aside, and now we need to put the tray over here. So we have those two places. It has to go here. So we're gonna go like that. like this, and just want to make sure it's in there in its place. Okay, and then we tighten it, this one, push it all the way down. Now we release this back to the green state, and then close it, and then close that. So now we're done with this. Now we need to remove the bag, this bag, and we put the water tank. So how to remove the bag? Just do it this way, push it. It's hard. Do it from the other side. Just push it this way. You see that? And then you take that out of here. So we're done with the bag. Bag is over here now. Now we put the water tank. Same way the bag was. This way. And we push it to secure it in place like that. Remember this, we said it's still off. Now we can turn it on. Okay. And then the hose, this side, I'm gonna connect it here. You see that? This one is gonna be connected here like that. Got it? Okay, make sure it's good. And then the other side, this is gonna be connected here. Just to make sure it's connected here. It takes a little bit of work, but we connected everything together, everything tight and good. And we turn this on. Now we're gonna take this on the carpet, and then what we're gonna do, we're gonna take this down like that, so that will be touching the carpet, or maybe a little bit. It depends about what kind of carpet you have. And then we turn this to drive, and then we turn it on. Some people prefer to turn it on first and then drive. It's up to you. And then we're gonna take it now and put it on the video. Put it on the carpet, and I'm gonna do that in a different video because it's heavy to carry it, and I'll show you that later.